we'll guide you through how to clear the cache in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You'll need to navigate to the settings to start clearing the cache. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the Settings menu, then select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings window, type Cache in the search bar at the top to filter the options. You'll see different cache-related settings show up. However, to clear the whole cache, you need to do a bit more. Close VSCode and open your File Explorer. You'll be heading to a specific folder where VSCode stores its cache. Go to your user directory. On Windows, this is usually under C, Users, your username, App Data, Roaming, Code. On Mac, go to Users, your username, Library, Application Support, Code. Inside the code directory, you'll see a folder named Cached Data. You can delete this entire folder to clear the cache. Remember, this will reset some of your settings and preferences in VS Code. Once you've deleted the folder, restart Visual Studio Code. It will recreate any necessary cache files automatically when you start it up again. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues or bugs that might be caused by corrupted cache files. Don't worry, it's safe and often recommended if you're experiencing unusual behavior in VS Code. And that's it. You're all set with a fresh cache. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.